Hello and welcome. Now another case of key factor. In this case the key factor is given to be in some different words like sales potential in value is limited. Sales potential in value is limited. That means we are not in a position to change our selling price. And as we know that till further instruction there will be no change in variable cost per unit. So there will be no change in contribution per unit. So there will be no change in the PV ratio. Whenever sales value or price is the key factor, the interpretation is like this. When it is given that sales potential in value is limited, we mean sales value or selling price is the key factor. The meaning of profitability will be PV ratio. That means contribution upon sales or selling price. That means proportion of contribution to sales is important thing, and that is in case of X 55 divided by 100, that is 0.55 or 55%. The meaning of 0.55 is if sales value is taken as rupee 1, then contribution is 55 paise. Or if sales value is taken as rupees 100 or currency 100, it is 55%. In case of Y, 69 divided by 120. So it comes to 0.575 or more precisely 57.5%. So again Y has more profitability. So if we assign rank, Y is again given the first rank and X the second rank, because in case of unchanged selling price as well as variable cost as well as contribution per unit, Y remains the more profitable product. So if sales potential in value is limited or sales value or price is the key factor, product Y is more profitable than product X. So we should divert or we should reserve our resources first for as much as or the maximum possible sales of product Y. Thank you.